Hi, my name is Vanessa Growlish, and by the end of this video, I hope to have you feeling confidence for test day. So let's start. So we have a word problem right here, where it says, a building 51 feet tall casts a shadow 48 feet long. Simultaneously, a nearby statue casts a shadow of 16 feet. How tall is the statue? So let's first understand the problem. And what I did is this little graph right here, as you can see. I have the building, which is 51 feet tall. The shadow is 48, and then you have the statue that casts a shadow of 16 feet, but we don't know how tall is the statue. So think about this. This is actually a geometry question. What's happening right here is that I have two triangles. I have triangle number one, which I can say 51 feet and 48 feet right here. And then I have X, because that's how high the statue is. And I have 16 feet, which is going to be basically the shadow. Once I see this, I said, well, you know what? I can do a proportion, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and notice that what I'm going to do is that I'm going to grab this 51 right here, and I'm going to put it on the top, over 48, and I'm going to put it here on the bottom, equals to X over 16. Very important. 51 and X match, 48 and 16 match. From there, I need to figure out the value of X, and that's going to tell me how tall is the statue. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to go ahead and just basically, instead of cross multiplying, I want the X by itself. So because I want the X by itself, I need to move the 16, because the 16 is dividing, is going to go to the other side multiplying. Or you can also say like 16 here, and then you multiply 16 here, and that's basically what's going to happen. It's going to cancel out. Now that I have this, I can go ahead and say, well, 51 times 16 divided by 48 is going to give me the value of X. But I'm going to simplify, and you can also use a calculator. But if you simplify for most of these questions, you're going to see that the math is simple, and you can just basically remember that I have 51 times 16, but 48, I can rewrite it as 16 times 3. Once I'm there, I say, wait, I can eliminate the 16 with the 16, and now I only have 51 over 3, which is going to give me 17 feet, and that is basically the answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a quick demonstration how we can use word problems into geometry, and once you do the proportion, you will always find out the answer. Have a great day. This is Vanessa Growlish, and I hope you enjoyed this video.